Mathematics is the most beautiful and the most powerful creation of the human spirit. A quote by Stephen Banach. I, Charlotta from grade 7B, warmly welcome you all on behalf of the Aaron English High School Fujairah to the event of the Maths exhibition. It's our pleasure to have everyone in our exhibition. Through the efforts taken by all our students, teachers and staff members, this event was made possible. Mathematics is an integral part of our daily lives. To help the pupils to understand this math, exhibitions are organized at the school. The objective of this exhibition is to show the interconnection and interdependency of different subjects with maths and to help students learn best when presented with a concept they can manipulate and visualize. I am sure that our exhibition will draw your attention and interest you. Therefore, I invite everybody to this creative digital math exhibition. Thank you.
From grade 7A. Pythagorean theorem. In a right angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square on the other two sides. Formula: C equals to square root of a square plus b square. Let us look at a few examples. This is a right angled triangle. One side is equal to 8 cm and the other side is equal to 6 cm. 8 square is 64. 6 square is 36. 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. The square root of 100 is 10. Therefore, the length of the missing side is 10 cm. Let us look at another example. Here, one side is 3 cm. Another side is 4 cm. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Therefore, the length of the missing side is 5 cm. Thank you.
An app I created to have a bit of fun with numbers. You can give any random number from 1 to 100 and do the necessary steps as given. After giving the final answer, you will get the number you started with.
This is how I coded it. Now, let's see how the app works. As you can see, when I press the start button, it asks me to choose a number from 1 to 100. So, I chose 30. Then, I did all the instructions that were given and I got my final answer as 170. Then, I typed out 170 in the text box. Then it asked me if my original number was 30, which is correct.
Greetings to one and all. I am Amrita from grade 8A. I have made a project on volume and surface area. The great Greek mathematician Archimedes was the one who discovered volume and surface area. These are the formulas to derive volume and surface area of the respective three-dimensional shapes. To find the volume of cuboid, we multiply length into width into height. To find the surface area of sphere, we multiply 4 into pi into r square, where r is the radius of sphere. The volume of cube is s cube, where s is the side of the cube. The volume of a rectangular pyramid is 1 by 3 into length into width into height. The surface area of cylinder is 2 into pi into r square plus 2 into pi into r into height. where r is the radius. Always, surface area is in square units and volume is in cubic units. Thank you.
So Tarun, here we have a few Indian leaders.
They seem to be placed on the number 9.
Yes, you might ask why. Well, I'm gonna show you a magic trick that will blow your mind.
Ooh, okay, let's see.
So, you can pick a number between 5 to 50. Then, you should start counting that amount from Narendra Modi ji and up. When you're done with that, you have to count the same amount clockwise, only on the upper part of the number 9. In my hand is a guess in which leader will eventually end up with.
Oh, okay.
So you may pick a number between 5 to 50.
I'll go with the number 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13.
Okay, so you have reached the legend Lal Bahadur Shastri. Now you can start counting backwards.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Ah, yes, the missile man himself.
Okay, now may I reveal my guess that I had with me the whole time?
Yes. What? Now that was impressive. How did you do that?
Actually, I think it can work with the numbers more than 15, but it's a bit confusing. So, the math magic here is that no matter what, it will always fall on APJ Abdul Kalam if you do it properly. Now, try it with another number.
Okay, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Wow, I see how it is now.
You viewers can also try this. It is very fun.
And to show that math is truly magical.
Hello everyone, my name is Varsha from grade 7A. Today I've made an integer clock which can be used for basic addition and subtraction of integers. So for this I've written both negative and positive numbers from 1 to 15. Then I've added an arrow so that we can rotate it according to our problems. Then I've added two signs, minus for this and plus for this. Let me show you how we can use integer clock to solve integer problems. So I've taken some problems. So the first problem is minus 7 plus 8. Minus 7. Let's take this arrow to minus 7. Then let's do plus 8. So plus indicates this side, so we have to bring the arrow this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 1. The next problem is 11 plus minus 6. Let us take this to 11. So 11. Then minus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 5. Thank you.
Good morning one and all. I am Christina Angel from 7B and today I'll be talking about SMPs. The Standards for Mathematical Practice describes the varieties of expertise, commonly known as SMPs. SMPs can help a student in problem solving, reasoning, proof, and forming connections. There are 8 standards for mathematical practice. Let me explain them individually and their description from student's point of view. Practice 1. Make sense of problems and perceive in solving them. I try to understand the problem and keep working towards to solve it. I don't give up. Practice 2. Reason abstractly and quantitatively. I think about maths in many different ways and show how numbers work together. Practice 3. Construct viable arguments and critique reasoning of others. I explain my thinking and I will ask others about their ideas. Practice 4. Model with maths. I use maths to show my thinking about real life problems. Practice 5. Use appropriate tools. I use right tools and plan how to solve problems. Practice 6. Attend to precision. I work carefully and I think about how I can solve problems correctly. Practice 7. Look for and make use of structure. I use procedures and strategies I know to solve new problems. Practice 8. Look for and express regularity. I try to find patterns and ask myself if it makes sense to use them again. Let's see an example. This is a question from Tim's. The content domain is numbers and the cognitive domain is knowing. To find the value of K, we can apply 3 SMPs, which is SMP1, SMP3 and SMP4. These are few other examples.
Hi everyone, I am Charlotta from grade 7B. This is my project for the Max exhibition on fractions. This is a fraction addition dial. This can make your fraction addition calculator. Use this for checking problems on fractions, and this can be used as a teaching tool for kids to grasp the concept clearly. This dial consists of 3 circles. I have taken different colors for contrast. Of these 3 circles, 2 circles are of the same size. One circle divided of 8 parts having the denominators 4 and 8, and another circle divided of 6 parts having denominators 3 and 6. The larger circle is divided by 24 parts, in which 24 is the common denominator. I'll merge all these together and let's see how it works with few sums. I have already solved 3 problems using the fraction addition dial. Now let's solve the other 3 sums. First we will solve 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 3, and their sum is 14 by 24 or 7 by 12. Now let's solve 4 by 6 plus 2 by 8. The sum is 22 by 24 or 11 by 12. Last but not the least, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. And from this part to this part is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 1 whole. You too can make this fraction addition dial and solve various problems on addition of fractions. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to my video. My name is Ahmed Akhtar and today I'm going to tell you all about my geometric city. Did you know that a building in Florida, USA is shaped just like a guitar, and a building in Hyderabad, India is shaped just like a fish? Well, I have tried to do the same in my project and tried to make it global. This is the Al-Dar headquarters, a building with circular shape from Abu Dhabi. This is the iconic Etisalat Tower in a star prism. This is a pentagon hut from India, and this is a square base pyramid all the way from Egypt. I also have regular buildings in the shapes of cuboid, triangular prism and this. The UAE flag on a cube-shaped pedestal. A unique thing in my project is that every road sign depicts a different shape. For instance, here is an octagon, here is a pentagon, and here are some squares and rectangles. Interestingly, the road dividers in my projects can also be called thin cuboids.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sid from grade 3A. This is my model of ordinal numbers. I present Gulf Country Horse Racing Championship. These horses represent different countries. On the first position, there is UAE. On the second, there is Egypt. And on the third, there is Yemen. Thank you.
Hello ma'am and my dear friends. Today I am going to present a book that I made on the topic fractions. In this book there are the fractions from 1 by 1 to 1 by 10. So let's take a look at it. First we have 1 by 1, 1 by 2 which is also called a half, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 which is also called a quarter, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9 and finally 1 by 10. I thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone, my name is Vishishta Shetty from grade 4A and today I am going to tell you about my math exhibition project. So here I have made a geometric city and I am going to tell you about it. So here I have made a square shaped hospital and here I have made the fir tree which is conical in shape. Here I have made the GeoCity board representing the name of the city and which is hexagonal in shape. Here I have used the two cylindrical cups, one with a circle on top of it and they both are cylindrical. Here I have made an apartment which is a rectangle in shape and a diamond shaped kite on top of it. And here is the cylindrical water tank of the city. Here I have used as a semicircle monkey bar and throughout the region I have used triangular shaped bins. So this is how I have made my geometric city using the shapes we learned in maths. I hope you have liked it very much. Thank you.
Greetings to one and all. I'm Kulsum Fatima from grade 5A. Dreams give us pleasure and create curiosity in our minds to do something. We all see many dreams, but everyone dreams of a sweet home to live in. And this is my dream house model.
My total plot area was 60 into 30 centimeter, and the area that I used to build my dream house was 30 into 30 centimeter. The rest was used for the parking area and the garden. It was also 30 into 30 centimeter.
My name is Yogendra and I am from grade 4A. Today I am going to show you all about my maths exhibition project, the division machine. And now I am going to tell the 3 columns that are in the division machine. The first column is the dividend column. The second one is the problem column. And the third one is the quotient column. Now I am going to tell you how this makes division more easier. First, let's take a lucky number from the lucky cup. The lucky number is 10 divided by 5. As 10 is in the first place, we need to take 10 sticks and keep it in one of the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As 5 is in the second place, we need to take 5 sticks and keep it in one of the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, as the first cup is full, we need to go to the second cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As 2 cups are full, we need to take the number 2 and keep it in the quotient box. But first, we need to take the quotient and keep it in the dividend box, quotient box. And now we need to take the number 2 and keep it in the quotient box. As there are no sticks over here, the remainder is 0. So we need to take the number 0 and keep it here. So this is what the division machine helps you to make division more easier. Thank you, ma'am and my dear friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Abigail. I'm from class 7B, and today I'll be showing you my project of parts of a circle and angle sum property. So this is the parts of a circle property and this is the angle sum property. I'll elaborate more.
As you can see here, I made a poster about expanded form and place value. So in the first image you see that 4 is in the thousandth place, and in the second image you see that 2 is in the 100th place, and in the third image you see that 5 is in the 10th place, and in the fourth image you see that 7 is in the 1st place. So if it's expanded form, then it's 4000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 7. So the number is 4257. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. This is my math project. I made 2 projects. One is even number and odd number model. One is place value model. Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now we are going to turn this wheel and the middle number. Now we have to find which is odd and even. Look, the last number, the time this is 5, this number is odd. Now it is 6. And this is 2. Last number is 2, that time it is even. Now place value model. This is my second model. 0, 3 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, and 1000 is in 3 is in thousand place. That is 3233. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm Amy Fiona from grade 4A. This is my math exhibition project, the geoboard. I made this geoboard by using foam, a few sticks and rubber bands. You might be asking, why is a geoboard important? Well, a geoboard is important because it allows you to make different sizes of a particular shape. And if you don't want to do like that, you can even use the geoboard as an entertainment purpose. You can make shapes, funny numbers and even alphabets. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vinita Murugan and I'm from grade 5. So today I'm going to show you a model on the topic types of angles. So first we will look at acute angle, which is lesser than 90 degrees. I've kept 50 degrees. Next we will see right angle, which is exactly 90 degrees. Next we will see obtuse angle, which is different from other angles. It's basically very easy also. It's greater than 90 degrees but lesser than 180 degrees. So I'm going to keep 160 degrees. Next we will see reflex angle, which is a new angle. So it's greater than 180 degrees. So I'm going to keep 280 degrees. Okay, I've kept 280 degrees. Next is straight angle, which is exactly 180 degrees, same as right angle. So this is my project on the topic types of angles. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ariana Shandi. Today I am going to show you my maths exhibition board game called Monopoly Superhero Edition. It is a 2-to-8 player game and includes contents like money in 7 different currencies. It's the bank and it has 7 different currencies of money: 500, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5 and 1. This is the money if these are over and we need more money to play the game. Here is Zords, Mega Zords, Special Die, 2 normal rolling dice, superheroes, villains, 4 villains and 2 subs. Here's the board. 8 characters. They are Elsa, Olaf, Iron Man, Aladdin, Thor, Jasmine, Ariel and Emma. There are also family chest cards and magic mirror cards. And this magic wishes template, which matches to the roll of your die. For example, you roll red, you get this red. Swap your property with a player of your choice. At the starting of the game, each player receives 1,500 from the bank, divided into 2 500s, 300s, 350s, 120, 2 10s, 1 5 and 5 1s. When you go around the Monopoly board, you basically pay rent, collect rent, do nothing. If you land on just visiting, go to jail or ask a wish and etc. For example, he rolled something and he went on Catboy and he can either buy or not buy the property. Now I'm going to tell you about the magic wishes template. Roll the dice. You get magic wishes when you land on free parking, or when you get out of jail, and when you exactly land on go or they are also in one of the family chess cards and the magic mirror cards. You get to draw one of these when you land on the magic mirror and family chess cards on the board. This board game also helps you in maths, like it improves your addition skills, subtraction skills, multiplication skills and division skills. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Aisha Zareen from grade 7A. Today I have made a multiplication machine. Let's see how to solve problems using a multiplication machine. This is my division machine. So we need a problem to solve the multiplication.
Good morning everyone, my name is Yunshikar Kira and I'm studying grade 5A. Today I'm going to present a math board game called Travel with Maths. So as we open the board game, this is the template of the board game. And there are some rules and regulations to play this game. The first rule is that you can start at any number on the dice. So if you get 5, 4, you can start with that number. 2 to 4 people can play this game. And for every correct answer, you get 2 points. So you should complete 3 rounds of the game. The one with the most points at the end wins. And if you land on a foreign country such as Europe, the number will be written in international system. So you should convert it into Indian system. And for example, if you land on an Indian state or city such as New Delhi, the number will be written in Indian system. So you should convert it into international system. And there's one spot you have to beware of, and that is the danger spot. A danger spot is a spot that if you land on a danger spot, the person after you has to ask you a question regarding about an Indian system or the international system. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Aditi Mahesh Majumdar and I have made this multiplication ladder in the vacations up to the table 12. So let's start with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Now, let me also show you the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. And it goes on like that until the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, and it goes on until